What's up, community? It's Nuno here, and I would like to personally thank you for all your support. As a reminder, I'm streaming on Twitch every single day at 9 p.m. UTC, and videos are coming out to my YouTube channel every single day at 1 p.m. UTC. If you're enjoying my content, please give me a follow, a like, a subscribe, all those good things. Thank you so much, and now let's go to the video.
This is a very important thing. Do always keep this in mind. If you have a test, you should be able to refactor all the code in your project and still have that test to pass. And I'm going to prove you, okay? I'm going to prove you. I'm going to go to this done command, and I'm going to change the implementation of this command and still have a passing test suite. You guys want to see? You guys want to see? Check this out. I'm going to type here this call, water done, and this call stretch done. So I changed the implementation of my code, However, I can tell you that if I call this silently, okay, I'm going to use silently, I most likely still have a passing test suite. And I do. Did you guys notice this? This is what tests are for, not only to give you the confidence that your code is okay, but also give you the confidence that if you were to refactor things, things are still working, This is what tests are for, and that's why feature testing is so important in Laravel, but also, in web development. So I don't mock precisely for this reason. Because if I were to mock that the action actually would have been called and, this kind of deal, I wouldn't be able to refactor the underlying implementation and still have my test suite passing. That's why I don't mock. If I start mocking on my tests, basically I'm coupling the tests to the actual implementation of those features. So I want to avoid that as soon as possible. Just as a general rule, mocking is not a good thing, as general rule. So the only thing you want to mock is literally when your test suite goes outside of your environment, So if you have a service class, let's say you have a service class that interacts with an API, So in your test suite, you obviously don't want that service class to interact with a real API. So only then, and only then, you should really use mocking. But only then, if your project can't stay within your environment, you can literally just, use the entire features, database, caching, literally everything, without having to mock anything whatsoever.